Stop your hiccups instantly by drinking water. Upside down. Sounds bizarre, right? But this quirky trick actually resets your diaphragm's rhythm, offering surprising relief. Imagine your diaphragm as a musical instrument. Sometimes it hits the wrong note, causing those annoying, involuntary hiccups. By tipping your head and drinking water from the opposite side of the glass, you're giving your diaphragm a little reset button. It's like flipping a switch on your body's internal metronome, bringing everything back to harmony. Next time you feel those pesky hiccups coming on, try this gravity-defying sip and watch your hiccups vanish like magic. This isn't just a party trick, it's a quirky life hack you never knew you needed.